Tugs guide the new giant away from the pier, beginning its first independent trip to sea.
Welcome to our shipyard. Today, I'll show you exactly how an aircraft carrier is built, step by step, inside this.
Every $13 billion aircraft carrier begins with a digital twin that guides every weld, every cable, every plate of steel.
Teams of naval architects and systems engineers simulate wave loads, aircraft operations, and combat scenarios.
Special low-alloy, high-strength steel arrives in bulk, each plate tested for thickness, hardness, and internal flaws. Crane operation commencing on block Tango Delta 4. Clear the area immediately.
Right, secure that plate.
Ready for the next section.
Clear the area, moving the stiffener.
Engaging rotation sequence now.
Confirmed. Movement stabilizing on my end.
Watch the tension levels on sector Gamma.
Check the depth right here. See that indication on the radiograph?
Yeah, it looks like minor porosity, but within tolerance.
All right, bringing it down, hold steady on the lines, and set. It's home.
Copy that. Wedges engaged.
Align that bulkhead section down.
Hold it steady, we're welding the supports.
All stations, maintain course and speed. We are clear of the dock entrance.
Acknowledged. Moving to the fitting pier.
Clear on the left side.
Confirmed. Proceeding as planned.
Okay, Crane, bring it down 5 meters.
Steady, steady. Watch the alignment guides.
Confirmed mounts engaged. Final adjustment complete. Checking readout.
We have center line. Looks good.
Okay, bring it up slowly. Holding steady at center.
Huge elevator shafts are framed with precision rails and reinforcements, ready to lift aircraft and ordnance between decks.
Is that wrap secure on level 4? Almost. Need one more fastener here.
Massive deck plates span the ship's beam, forming the expansive flight deck where air operations will take place.
We're showing -2 millimeters at frame 42.
Roger that. Adding shims now.
Locked in at 0.00. Good to go.
All right, hit it.
Torque wrench engaged. Section 4 locked down.
Moving to the next weld point. Template set at 40 meters.
Start spraying zone 3. Keep it even. Watch the edges.
Testing the JBD cycle. Stand clear of the hydraulics.
Systems check complete. Bringing her down.
At left 2 centimeters.
Moving left.
Centered. Locking sequence engaged.
Gauge is holding steady at 40. Noted. Beginning the ascent sequence now.
Deck 2, elevator coming up. Clear the path.
Solid copy. Moving the bird to spot 3. All green.
Launch consensus. Proceed as planned.
The carrier's island, its command tower, is built separately as a stack of detailed blocks.
Lower away. 5 meters to contact. Set her down gently now.
Display initialized. Acquiring tactical data.
Long-range scan initiated. We have multiple contacts bearing 270.
Miles of power and data cables weave through dedicated trunks. linking every system aboard the carrier.
All right, easy now. Bring it down slow. Clear on this side. Lock it in. Start the sequence. Keep it coming down slow. Watch your spacing. All right, she's seated. Secure the bolts.
Cycle test initiated. Blast door engaging. Latches secure. Systems check complete.
CIC, we have full power to launcher C.
Acknowledged. Running diagnostics on fire control. Dedicated aviation fuel systems ensure clean, controlled delivery of jet fuel to the flight deck.
Deck operations, Stage 1 initiated. Fueling and weapons transfer active.
Acknowledged. Maintaining visual on tow cart movement.
Berthing compartments transform the steel interior into living spaces for thousands of sailors.
It's amazing how they transformed this space.
The new recreation room will be good for morale.
Exit routes confirmed clear. Muster station signage located and confirmed.
All right, clear the line. Start the hydraulics. Copy that. Pressure engaging.
Radar tracking 3 surface contacts entering the channel. Copy that.
Cross-referencing GPS and INS data now.
Fire, fire, fire! Main engineering! Attack team, respond!
Attacking the simulated fire now. Charging the hose. We have visual suppression.
Damage control reports they are losing containment. I repeat, we are losing containment in the forward pump room.
Loading sequence initiated. I need those cranes moving at maximum velocity if we want to make the evening departure window.
Move those supplies up the gangway. Faster.
tugs guide the new giant away from the pier, beginning its first independent trip to sea.
Launch catapult!
Hook engaged. Successful trap.
Engagement sequence initiated. Firing primary weapon system.
Confirmed. Tracking successful intercept. Target destroyed.
Clear that rupture immediately.
Your team's response time was noted, but coordination requires improvement.
Also.
I proudly place this warship in commission! Now, crew, man our ship and bring her to life!
And that's how an aircraft carrier is built. From raw steel and digital plans to a fully operational $13 billion